Drop and tell. 2 models available. Non-resettable with lock pin, resettable without. Installation. Non-resettable version. Remove the metal bar to activate the device. For resettable version, push a paper clip into each end hole to reset. Peel off the adhesive backing. Apply to the shipment and press firmly round the edges. Place the companion label next to the drop and tell to maximize visibility and prevent mishandling. Next, apply drop and tell on both the Y and Z axes to ensure complete and comprehensive impact detection. Finally, apply the alert sticker onto the bill of lading to notify carriers that an indicator is used. See it in action. Upon impact, the indicator window displays a blue arrow to show a shock event. Other axes hit, they turn red too, leaving no room for hidden damage.